So to make this tribal mask, here we have taken a plastic bottle. We have already applied a layer of gesso on it. Now using wall putty dough, we are going to firstly make its band like this. Using a toothpick or any knife, we are going to give some design, and we have also made its other features like eyebrows, eyes. So now we are going to paint it using a brown color, and on the band we are going to do it with green color. And we are going to highlight the features with light brown shade. So this one is ready. Let's move ahead. To make this, here we have taken an old bell. We are going to attach a lid of a bottle on it like this. So on it we have applied a layer of gesso. Let it dry. And now we have attached this cardboard piece on it. We are going to attach all the popsicles. Then here we have taken these birds. We are going to paint these. And then using wires we have made the stems of the leaves like this. We are going to paint the leaves with green color and the wire with brown shade. Paint it, and this one is also ready. So thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Take care. Goodbye.